everyone, Letty here. Today I have hashtag N2S Holiday Hop. This is a not too shabby shop design team holiday inspiration hop. We're going to be using not too shabby items. So welcome back everyone. I am part of the design team for the Not Too Shabby Shop for this term. Here's their logo. I'll list their website link down in the description box below. So today I am joining some of my fellow design team members and we are participating in a hop, hashtag N2S Holiday Hop. I've got tons of not too shabby items here that I'm using today. And so this one's called Gingerbread Visions. It's a 6x6 paper pad, 24 double-sided sheets. So the idea behind the hop is that the design team members are going to be making some items using the Not Too Shabby Holiday products to give you just some holiday inspiration. I also am bringing in the Gingerbread Visions Ephemera pack. This is the coordinating ephemera pack that goes with that paper pad. Here is a still shot of all of the images that come in that ephemera pack. They're so super cute. So super cute. I love the colors, love the gingies. So then we have Naughty or Nice, and this one is a stamp set. I'm using that Have a Wonderful Holiday little sentiment for my project today. And then we have the Gingerbread Visions Enamel dots. So I had received a freebie for spending over $60, but then I also had purchased one as well. So those are the items, lots of the Gingerbread Visions collection, and then one additional stamp set. Today I'm making a holiday card using Crafty Mama Diaries sketch number 2. So here is Helen's sketch. This is her newest one. It sort of has that sort of shaker Polaroid element. I am changing it up a bit and you'll see how in just a bit. I brought in some dies from my stash, but I went ahead and I made one card off camera just so you can get an idea. Added some enamel dots, a sentiment, some ephemera, really changed it up just a little bit, and then added some scraps on the inside of my card. We are going to make the second one on camera today. So here's what we have. So again, this is my card. And so I am loving Helen's sketches. I'm so excited that she is putting these out. I'm going to start by adding my scraps to the inside of my card. And these were just some random scraps that I had after cutting down all of my different mats and die cutting the different, papers that we're going to go for this card. I'm adding 2, just layering them right on top of each other. So it looks just like this. So, and I apologize, I went a little off camera there, but now I'm going to add my scalloped mat right to the front of my card. And so this is a hashtag driven hop. You're going to click on hashtag N2S Holiday Hop, and that will give you a link to all of the videos that are going to be showcasing these holiday products from the Not Too Shabby Shop from the design team. I will also link a list of all the collab participators down in the description box below, just in case this hashtag does not work the way that it should. So you could also check out my description down below and you can get an idea of all the collab participants and sort of just kind of watch all the videos step by step, hop video by video. So I have layered on the rest of my elements and I'm now at the point where I am adding my ephemera pieces. And so on Helen's sketch, she does have more of like a Polaroid sort of effect. I opted to just go ahead and layer my ephemera right on top and then add my sentiment down in the bottom left-hand corner, just like this. So here was pretty much my finished card. I'm going to add in some enamel dots just to really finish that embellishment. So I'm bringing in those coordinating enamel dots from the Not Too Shabby Shop. They do have a little bit of like a sparkle to them or like a glitter shine. So they're perfect for this card. Here's my finished card. Here's a side-by-side comparison with Helen's sketch. Again, this is the Crafty Mama Diary sketch number 2. I am just loving these sketches. I think these turned out so super cute. So again, this is a holiday card using Crafty Mama Diary sketch number 2, Helen's sketch. I use Gingerbread Visions, paper pad ephemera, and enamel dots, and the Naughty or Nice stamp set, all from the Not Too Shabby Shop. Again, I do have an affiliate link that I'll link down below. I appreciate anyone who uses it. And again, the hashtag is N2S Holiday Hop for our design team inspiration hop using the Not Too Shabby holiday products. I hope you got some inspiration. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you hop along to check out what everybody is making. I hope you jump on over to the Not Too Shabby Shop, pick up those items that you don't have in your stash yet. Happy crafting.